friends, it's me, Sally Scientist, and I am studying mammals today. Now, does anyone know what a mammal is? No? Well, I'll just have to tell you. Why don't we read this book? According to this book, it says that mammals have hair or fur all over their bodies. Wait a minute. Does that mean I'm a mammal too? I think so. Wow, that's amazing. And mammals are also warm-blooded. It means the temperature inside of our bodies usually stays about the same. Now, reptiles are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded creatures tend to have a body temperature that adjusts to the environment around them. Their temperature inside their bodies relies on the environment. So if it's 90 degrees outside, then the temperature of the reptile is going to be around the same. However, it doesn't matter where we are. Our temperature will stay the same, unless we're sick. Oh, look at here. Another thing it says about mammals is that they also feed their babies milk. Wait, so we really are mammals. Mommies give their babies milk. Wow, look at that. A baby and a monkey, both mammals. They both drink milk and they both have hair/fur. Very interesting. And they're both warm-blooded. Now, there's different classifications of animals. Right now, we're learning about mammals, but like I mentioned before, there are also reptiles, birds, fish, amphibians, and then obviously mammals. 5 of them. And maybe we can talk about the others later, but let's just stick to talking about the mammals, right? Shall we? Let's go. One thing that mammals really have going for them are their senses. Now, wait a minute. What are the senses? There's 5 of them. We have taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing. 5 senses. And these animals will use their senses to hunt. Platypuses hunt by touch. That's a platypus right there. Really cute. I like that guy. So the platypus's bill is a little bill, kind of like a duck bill, and it's very sensitive to touch. So he'll kind of look around, he'll poke his face and everything to look for his food. Pigs, it says right here, pigs have a very amazing sense of smell, and that's how they get their food. They smell around like, you heard a pig snort before, yeah. Because they're smelling everything. They're smelling everything. Mammals also hunt by using their sight. But some mammals have a different way of seeing things than we do. Some of them are nocturnal and have kind of this little night vision so that they can hunt in the dark. What? That's just wild. Some mammals even fly, like bats. Wait a minute, bats have wings though. Wouldn't that make them birds? Wait a minute, no, they are mammals. What? Because they have fur. They have fur. Oh, this one's really cute. It's a fruit bat. I like him. He's my friend. I want one. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. Bats are one of the animals that use sound to hunt. They use something called echolocation. So the bats will send a little like ultrasonic screech out, and the sound will actually bounce back at them, and they can hear that. And that helps them find out where the food is. Pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. I like it. Some mammals are not really hunters. They're considered prey, kind of like little mice. So mice, or just animals that are considered prey in general, tend to use camouflage tactics so that they can stay out of the way of predators. Predators are animals that usually want to hunt other animals and eat them. And prey, they're usually the animals that are being eaten. But they don't want to be eaten. They're like, hey, I don't want to be eaten. I want to play. I don't want to hide. So, yeah, that's what they're doing. They're disguising themselves with the leaves. That's what I would do, too. I don't want to be eaten either. Yeah, these guys are smart. But mammals don't just use camouflage to hide from predators. They also have spiky coats sometimes, like these little hedgehogs. And they use that to defend themselves because the predators will be like, I want to eat this little dude. And, oh, my goodness, he's so spiky. Never mind, I'm just going to use something else. That's what they do. That's what the predators really do. Yes, really interesting. Let's move on. An armadillo, this little guy, he can close up like a ball so that nobody can eat him. Possums, they pretend to be dead. So the animals are like, don't need this guy. He's dead. I don't need him. A lot of mammals tend to have tails, and they like to use these tails to communicate with each other. And some of them use them as like another limb, like to swat away flies. Instead of doing it with their hand, they'll do it with their tail. What? I wish I had a tail. And these kangaroos are also mammals. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at all the little kittens. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. I just want to pet them and cuddle them, don't you? Oh my. Oh, look at that little fella. Look at that little face. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was a really good book about mammals. I think I learned a lot. Didn't you guys? Yeah, pretty cool. Well, thank you guys for listening to me. I'm the Scientist Sally, signing out. See you guys soon. Bye.